Hello students, how are you? Hope you are good and safe. Class prep, subject is general knowledge, GK, and topic is my family. Today we are going to learn about my family. First, I am going to tell about my family. In my family, I have a brother, I have a mother, I have a father, and also I have a grandparents, a grandmother and a grandfather. Now it's your turn to tell me about your family. Like this, you can open your book and page number 4, and you can see that there is a picture of a family, a whole family. There are the members are grandfather and grandmother. Grandfather और grandmother वो parents होते हैं जो आपके मामा पापा के father और mother होते हैं. मतलब दादी दादा या नानी नाना, जिसे हम बोलते हैं दादी दादा या नानी नाना, उनको हम बोलते हैं grandfather and grandmother. And the second one is your father and mother. आप सबके फादर भी हैं और मदर भी हैं. जैसे मेरे फादर हैं और मेरी मदर हैं, तो उसी तरह आपके भी फादर है और आपकी मदर भी हैं. तो सेकंड 2 मेंबर्स हैं आपके फादर और मदर. एंड द थर्ड एंड फोर्थ मेंबर्स आर ग्रैंडसन एंड ग्रैंडडॉटर. आप इसको सन और डॉटर भी कह सकते हैं. सन मतलब बेटा और डॉटर मतलब बेटी. And these are the whole this is our whole family, which we have grandfather, grandmother, father, mother, grandson and granddaughter. और ये आपको पेज नंबर 4 पे मिलेगा. This is your first activity. Write the words which is on page number 5. These are the words. First word is grandfather. The second one is grandmother. And the third one is father. Fourth one is mother. Fifth one is grandson. And the sixth one is granddaughter. These are the words you have to write in your general knowledge book. And you have to write it in your books also and copies. This is your second activity. Learn these words which is on page number 5. ये जो words हैं ये page number 5 पे ही आपको मिलेंगे. And these are the words which you have to learn. Grandfather, grandmother, father, mother, son and daughter. These are the words that you have to learn it. Thank you. God bless you. Stay home, stay safe.